what do you see? I see a fox looking at me. What does the fox say, can you tell? He says yip, yip in the dell. In the forest, what do you hear? I hear an owl hooting near. What does the owl say, can you tell? She says hoo, hoo, loud and well. In the forest, what do you find? A little deer, gentle and kind. What does the deer say, can you tell? He says sniff, sniff, near the well. In the forest, who hops by? A bunny rabbit, oh so shy. What does the bunny say, can you tell? He says hop, hop, very well. Fox says yip, owl says hoo, deer says sniff, bunny says hop. Let's go walking, don't you stop. In the forest, we can play with our animal friends all day. Sing their sounds and dance around in the forest, what a sound.